Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the sustainable development, the reasons for the growing concern about the sustainable development in the recent years. So we are going to discuss about the point wise. So the first is that the economic development depends upon the stock of natural resources, and also the quality of the environment. Now here the quality of the environment is the quality of the air, water, land, which are the very common heritage of all the generation. So each and everybody has a right to live in a quality environment. The quality of air or the quality of water or the quality of the land, and each and every generation they have the equal opportunities for using these resources. Next is that the increase in the income is brought about through the environmental degradation by the present generation, and the future generation will be left under the polluted environmental condition. Now, when the income is increased, and it will be increasing through environmental degradation, this will always be done by the present generation, and the result is that the future generation will be remain in the polluted environment. And so what will happen? This will reduce the production capacity of the future generation. Next, the rate of economic growth and the quality of life in future are bound to be low, as because the present generation is too much exploiting the natural resources for their economic development. So therefore the future generation will have to remain in this polluted environment. Next is that many industrialized developed countries cause a rapid depletion of the stock of natural resources. The present generation have pursued economic growth without giving any importance to the long-term consequences. Now, the present generation always have pursued the economic growth without giving any importance to the future generation. So this is a great concern of the future generation, because the present generation only thinking about themselves but not about the future generation, which is very much detrimental. Next, the third point, let us move. The depletion of the stock of natural resources and degradation of the environment should be treated as a cost of development. Now see, how much we are using the natural resources, how much the environment is degraded, and that should be treated as the cost of what? The cost of development. And these costs must be what? These costs must be deducted from the national income to know the growth rates in more realistic terms. So if we deduct this from the national income, then we can understand that what is our actual growth rate. What is our actual income? Next, number 4 point. The sustainable development is important for improving the quality of life of the present generation. The quality of the life depends upon the healthy and long life, balanced diet, safe drinking water, clean air, better sanitation, hygienic environment, etc. So sustainable development, why the sustainable development is very much important? Just to improve the quality of the life of the future generation. Improving the quality of the life of the... So here the quality of the life depends upon what? Healthy and long life, then what? Balanced diet, then there should be safe drinking water, then the air should be clean, next there should be better sanitation, the hygienic environment. So these are all fall under the quality of life. This much for the today's class. We have already discussed about what are the growing concern about the sustainable development in the recent years. So please subscribe to the channel, those who haven't subscribed it, because we regularly upload the videos on this channel. Like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.